Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become still. As you settle in, let go of any tension or stress. This is your time to connect with the abundant energy of the universe. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. With every inhale, breathe in peace and calm. And with every exhale, let go of any worries or negative thoughts. Continue this pattern of deep, rhythmic breathing. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. Notice any sensations and relax your toes. Moving your focus up to your ankles, calves, and knees, releasing any tension or discomfort. Let this wave of relaxation move up to your thighs, hips, and lower back. Feel your entire lower body becoming loose and relaxed. Continue this relaxation up through your abdomen, chest, and shoulders. Let go of any tightness in your arms, hands, fingers, and your neck. Now bring your attention to your jaw and your face. Allow your entire body to be completely relaxed and at peace. Imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a beautiful, serene garden. Take a deep breath in and feel the gentle, warm breeze caressing your skin. Notice the soft, earthy ground beneath your feet, grounding you in this beautiful place. As you step inside the garden, feel a sense of calm and abundance wash over you. The air is infused with serenity and prosperity. The scent of blooming flowers surrounds you, sweet, delicate, and soothing. Take a moment to savor their fragrance as each inhale fills you with peace. Listen to the sounds of this magical place. You can hear birds singing, their melodies uplifting your spirit. Nearby, there's the soft rustling of leaves as the wind moves gently through the trees. The atmosphere is alive with the harmonious sounds of nature, all reminding you that abundance is everywhere. Now, as you walk deeper into the garden, your eyes are drawn to a magnificent tree in the center. This tree is unique. It has golden leaves that shine in the sunlight and fruits that sparkle like jewels. As you gaze at this tree, feel a deep connection to its energy. It represents the infinite abundance of the universe, always growing, always flourishing, always available to you. Approach the tree and place your hands on its strong, steady trunk. Feel its vitality flowing into you, a powerful surge of energy that travels from the tree into your body. Visualize this energy as a golden light, bright and warm, filling every part of you with prosperity and wealth. Allow yourself to fully receive this energy. Feel it in your fingertips, in your heart, and all throughout your body. You are now connected to the limitless supply of the universe. Allow yourself to feel completely immersed in this energy of abundance, knowing that it is always within you and all around you. Now, let's affirm your financial abundance. Repeat each affirmation silently in your mind, feeling the truth and power in each statement. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe. I deserve to be financially rewarded for my efforts. My income is constantly increasing. I am worthy of making more money. I am open to the flow of great abundance in all areas of my life. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I am a successful person. I attract money easily and effortlessly. As you repeat these affirmations, imagine money flowing into your life from all directions. See yourself receiving unexpected checks, finding money, receiving salary raises, and new opportunities. Feel the joy and gratitude of having more than enough money to fulfill your desires and help others. Take a few moments to anchor this experience in your mind and heart. Now imagine a glowing golden coin in your hand. This coin is a symbol of your financial abundance. Hold it close to your heart, feeling its warmth and energy. Know that you can return to this feeling of abundance anytime you need it. Allow yourself to feel this energy of abundance and prosperity. Feel it in your heart, in your entire body. Take a few more deep breaths. And slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently stretching your body. Become aware of your surroundings. And when you feel ready, slowly and gently open your eyes, bringing with you the sense of peace, abundance, and financial prosperity. This is Rupali Upshankar from Blissvana. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Carry this feeling of abundance with you throughout your day. Remember, you are a magnet for prosperity, and the universe is ready to support your financial dreams. Namaste.